A traditional 9-to-5 job offers stability, but often not enough to put as much as you would like into savings or investment opportunities. Deep down, you know you're capable of increasing current income. Perhaps burnout from a full-time job is holding you back, or the lack of focus on what exactly to do to earn extra income. Building a passive income stream is by far the easiest way to generate more money on the side, while continuing to work within a stable full-time job or career. Passive income also offers the ability for faster growth when compared to a traditional job, leading to life-changing income in the span of a year or two. Passive income versus active income. Passive income is essentially money earned that requires a minimal amount of labor to generate and maintain. It is a source other than that of a traditional employer. Passive income streams are sources of revenue that can come from investing in real estate, mutual funds, peer-to-peer loans, selling an online course, ad revenue, or any other side hustle in which you aren't actively participating. Compared to active income, passive income is by its nature generated automatically. This means you get residual income from an initial investment, money, time, resources, which requires minimal effort to maintain. Create a drop shipping store. Drop shipping is undeniably one of most pervasive and profitable passive income business opportunities. What is it? Drop shipping entails finding trends in a niche market, like clothing. You then find products through marketplaces like AliExpress or Alibaba and sell these products to customers globally. The manufacture and design of products is outsourced and shipped from elsewhere, while you manage the fundamentals of the business. Among the other options on this list, drop shipping allows you the most control over margins and profit. It also allows you to invest as much or as little time as you can, allowing for larger growth. You can utilize a platform like Shopify to begin your drop shipping business. They also offer drop shipping apps that can help you source your products from the beginning of production to the end stage of shipment. Starting a drop shipping business can be a low-cost and low-risk way to start an online business. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche or industry with high demand and low competition and find a supplier who can provide the products you want to sell. You'll then need to create an e-commerce website or use a platform like Shopify to start selling your products and focus on marketing and building relationships with your customers. With dedication and a willingness to adapt to market trends, a successful drop shipping business can be a profitable and sustainable business venture. Consulting. Starting a consulting business can be a rewarding way to share your expertise with others while building a profitable business. To get started, you'll need to identify which skills and services you will provide to clients based on your previous experience and training. You'll then need to create a strong personal brand and market your services through networking, referrals, and digital marketing channels. With the right strategy and a focus on delivering high-quality results to your clients, a successful consulting business can grow into a full-time venture over the course of a few months. Monetize a blog. The next most popular passive income stream has its origins in blogging. Blogs have helped many independent entrepreneurs earn passive income, generated through online traffic. How? Revenue for blogs and websites that don't specifically sell merchandise or products revolves around affiliate links, sponsored posts, ad marketing, and courses. Of course, building a successful blog from scratch is no easy feat. It will involve an initial time investment to get the ball rolling, as would any of these passive income ideas. You'll also need to have a solid grasp of things like search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and copywriting. These will help to generate traffic to your blog or website and are integral in promoting it. If you have the knack for writing engaging content in a high-demand niche, like tech or finance, blogging is a great way to establish yourself online. Building a blog is one of the most sustainable long-term ways to generate passive income. Another great aspect of building a blog or website is the ability to turn one revenue stream into several different ones. That might look like selling an online course for a niche subject, DIY home renovation, or becoming an affiliate marketer. Starting a blog business can be a rewarding and lucrative venture if done correctly. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has potential for monetization. From there, you'll need to create high-quality content, build a loyal audience, and explore different revenue streams such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and digital product sales. With dedication and hard work, a successful blog business can be within reach. Create and sell an online course. Selling online courses has become an increasingly popular and lucrative business model in recent years. With the rise of e-learning and remote work, many people are looking for new ways to learn and improve their skills. To get started, you'll need to choose a topic or niche that you have expertise in and that you think will be valuable to your audience. You'll then need to create a high-quality course that provides real value to your students. Once your course is ready, you can market it to your audience through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and creative way to share your passion with the world and potentially earn money. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience on the platform. You'll then need to create high-quality content that engages your viewers and encourages them to subscribe and share your videos. Content creation services. Offering content creation services can be a profitable and rewarding business opportunity for those with strong writing, editing, or design skills. If you have a passion for creating content such as blog posts, videos, or social media content, there will be a significant demand for your services as more and more businesses look to expand their reach online. You can then market your services to potential clients through social media, email marketing, and other channels, and focus on delivering work that meets their needs and exceeds their expectations. Tap into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing requires a large blog, website following, or social media presence. This is why it works best for those already blogging to a big audience. How does it work? Affiliate marketing pays you by referring customers to other brands or companies. You post affiliate links or ads, and brands automatically track which leads you generated. Every time you drive a sale for another brand, you get a commission. This might not seem like much, but affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar industry in the US alone. The vast majority of online advertisers and publishers rely on affiliate marketing to drive sales. As an affiliate marketer, you can easily promote a huge range of products within a niche and earn commissions from all of them, utilizing your blog or social media presence. Upon joining an affiliate program, like a Win or ClickBank, you'll receive a unique link that contains a tracking ID. This lets the merchant know you referred the customer to them. If you want to succeed as an affiliate marketer, you'll need to create high-quality content and have a popular website or blog. These are things that involve going the extra mile. For example, if your focus is on product reviews, you'll want to ensure you purchase the actual product. Success as an affiliate marketer isn't an overnight journey, but often takes years. The return on investment can be huge, as many make $10,000 minus $60,000 per year from affiliate links alone. Starting an affiliate marketing business is a great way to make money online by promoting other people's products. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche or industry that you're passionate about that has high-ticket products you can promote. You'll then need to build an audience through a blog, social media, or other channels, and provide valuable content that encourages your audience to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. With the right strategy and a commitment to building relationships with your audience, a successful affiliate marketing business can be within reach. Consulting. Starting a consulting business can be a rewarding way to share your expertise with others while building a profitable business. To get started, you'll need to identify which skills and services you will provide to clients based on your previous experience and training. You'll then need to create a strong personal brand and market your services through networking, referrals, and digital marketing channels. With the right strategy and a focus on delivering high-quality results to your clients, a successful consulting business can grow into a full-time venture over the course of a few months. Social media marketing. Starting a social media marketing agency can be a great way to capitalize on the growing demand for social media expertise among businesses. To get started, you'll need to build a strong understanding of social media platforms and best practices and develop a portfolio of successful campaigns. You'll then need to market your services through networking, referrals, and digital marketing channels, and focus on delivering high-quality results to your clients to build a strong reputation in the industry. Become a freelancer. Becoming a freelancer can be a flexible and fulfilling way to work on your own terms and build a career doing what you love. To get started, you'll need to identify your skills and areas of expertise and start building a portfolio of work that showcases your abilities. You'll then need to market your services to potential clients through networking, referrals, and online platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. With hard work, dedication, and a commitment to delivering high-quality work, becoming a successful freelancer can be a viable and rewarding career option. Digital advertising agency. Starting a digital advertising agency can be a lucrative and rewarding business venture, as the demand for online advertising continues to grow. To get started, you'll need to develop a deep understanding of digital advertising platforms and best practices and build a portfolio of successful campaigns. You'll then need to market your services to potential clients through networking, referrals, and digital marketing channels, and focus on delivering high-quality results that meet your clients' business goals. With the right strategy and a commitment to staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies, a successful digital advertising agency can be a highly profitable and sustainable business. We all have a limited amount of time in one day. Full-time jobs or careers can make the ability to generate extra income seem impossible. The ability to make more money passively is a game changer that can offer flexibility a full-time job can't. Whether you begin a drop shipping business or want to start your own blog, you need to capitalize on the endless supply of free online resources and begin building wealth today. In conclusion, there are many online business ideas that can be lucrative and fulfilling for entrepreneurs. Whether you're interested in starting a blog, selling online courses, drop shipping, consulting, or any other business model, the key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and to focus on delivering high-quality results to your customers or clients. As we always say, the hardest thing to do is just start. Determine the best online business model for you and turn your dreams into reality. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment below and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.